In this video, let's do the unboxing of the newly released Jordan 3 Levi's collab black and white colorway. Of course, lace swap will be done as well, and on feet video. Alright, we get some early released here, the Levi's Jordan 3, the black colorway. And this is not the one, this is the black cement, the newly released black cement, I think last year. And we're gonna be comparing it with these because they really share the same color palette. So let's do the unboxing first. And I'm just lucky to hit on the early release on the Nike app, and kind of confused because in the US the indigo colorway is somehow full family size run, and here in Europe it's not, so it's really confusing. But nevertheless, we're gonna be comparing it and let's see what are the details of these sneakers. And this is the box, guys. Quite nice actually, and I thought it was a black box because I have the black white, and probably this is paying homage to the Levi's. Look at that Levi's logo here, denim, so they made this box like this in color. And mine, of course, official colorway is denim black jean red, so size 42, 8.5 US, tiny guy feet. And let's go. I hope you can see it on my top camera. Nice. You know, the Levi's details right there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Individually wrap. This is the trend right now. I think they just got a lot of complaint about the color bleeding, so that's their way of separating the sneakers. And there you go. Stick with me, guys. Damn. Hang tag, Levi's. 2 pairs of extra laces. The thing about warning about color bleeding. Ooh, this is different. This is completely different with the black cement. You will see it. And the denim details here instead of the elephant print. And also here it's using this black denim. Oof! Look at that. Back. Sexy back. Ooh. This is so nice. Man, I was not expecting it. I was like, okay, it's another black cement colorway, blah blah blah. But then this one hits different. And you will see it. You will see it. Just hold your horses because I will finish the unboxing and you will see what I'm talking about. Okay? So this is the other pair. I mean the other shoe, not pair. The red tab Levi's, you know, growing up with the Levi's jeans. This is pretty familiar to everyone. And the matte color of the leather. Ooh, so good. And that is the back, I mean the outsole. So you can see right there. So let's compare it with the other pairs. So we can see the symmetry of both sneakers, but man, this is really good. Quite surprised. So that box here, you have some tiny little details. I hope you guys can see it. This right here and also there, stuff like that. Bet you will find it interesting. So this is now moment of truth. Damn, this looks so sexy. Symmetry is pretty cool. And then that back, the denim back. And also the inner panels, you guys can see the difference. My pair is clean, a little bit of stains in here, but pretty okay to me, not gonna lie. And the outer panels. This is tough, man. Tough. Really tough. I love it. Loving it. So, see some details. I thought that the insoles have some patterns. I mean printing on it. So let me get it for you guys. So that's the printing on the insoles. Okay, so that is pretty similar on the other side as well. I'm not gonna take it, takes quite a while. Oof, oof. Compare it with the black cement, the latest one, latest black cement. So this is the black cement, and we'll just put it right there. So to give you an idea about the leather, the black cement is pretty shiny, and the Levi's one is matte black, and I prefer matte. I always prefer matte. I don't like the shiny ones. This one is shiny, and this is matte. And of course the elephant prints right here replaced by the denim, and here this leather right here also replaced by the denim, and also on this side and this side. Okay, and for the back part, look at that back, man. I mean, the BC3 is already iconic, but not gonna lie, this thing right here with the Levi's, hits different because it's a different shoe. A lot of people were saying that they are pretty the same color palette. Yes, of course, but man, if you hold it together, they are pretty different. I'm telling you, they look completely different. So the thing here has a lot of grays, and here it's almost completely black. The tongue part especially. And then this is white, and this is on the sail side, as you can see. And let's check also the outsole comparison. That is the outsole. So they are sharing the same color palette but completely different sneakers. So I'm wrong. I really thought that they just look completely the same, especially when they are on feet. But man, in terms of the quality, workmanship, the materials, extra pair of laces, it's no contest. The Levi's one is really good, and this one is just another GR, you know. That's why they are on sale currently. So there you go. That's the complete comparison of the two sneakers that shares the same color palette. Let me know your thoughts. I'll be putting it on feet, and let's see what we can do about lace swaps. I think the shoe itself is really good already by default. I mean, I don't want to change some stuff here anymore. I mean, look at that. How pretty is this? I mean, looks stealthy with a hint of the denim here. It's just so good by default. So let's move into the next. All right, so what are my impressions on the Levi's 3 black colorway? I think this is a statement that somehow separates the collab sneakers between the general releases, because these are just simply beautiful. I mean, the materials that they're using here, everything, detail, presentation is another level. If you want to compare it to the BC3, which I am quite surprised because I don't have that energy, or I was not really positive when I did the unboxing, because somehow I have that feeling that, oh, okay, it's another BC3 colorway. But when you saw that unboxing, it was pretty legit. I am quite impressed. I mean, just take a look on that back. It's really sexy. And of course, the tiny little details, the red tab on the eye stays, the hang tag, and of course the packaging, presentation, the box. It just adds up everything that makes the sneakers really good. Plus, you need to add 2 extra pair of laces, which I did the lace swap. You can see it later on. We'll be talking about it. And what else? It's just, it makes you happy when you have that sneakers that somehow quite hit you in a different way. So that's what I feel when I did the unboxing, and of course wearing this. And speaking of wearing, by the way, sizing and comfort, it's pretty typical Jordan 3. So if you're planning to buy one, just stick with your size. I am wearing true to size, by the way, with any Jordan 3. Okay, so that was the impressions. Let's move into the lace swap. And so this is my favorite, the default blacks. And the second one would be the white lace that came with the sneakers. Hope you can see it right there. This is the white. So most likely the white ones when I'm wearing it during summer, and the black ones pretty all year round, but most likely also during colder season. So just to give you an idea, I'll be comparing it with the red, the white, and the black, just to really have a view on what they look like. So if I need to put them in order, my favorite one would be the black, second would be the white, third is the red. I don't know, I'm not a fan of the red lace. It just doesn't hit me the same as the default blacks. Okay, but that's my very subjective opinion. Let's move into the favorite pants that I rock with these pair, in no particular order. Every time, black corduroy. If I am wearing Jordan 3, this is always my staple. I don't know, it just hit nicely. I think it's the cut. It's a little bit loose and not so tapered. And if you want to cover the tongue of your Jordan 3, you can also do it. But yeah, you can wear whatever you want. But this is my favorite so far when I'm wearing any Jordan 3 sneakers, black corduroy. And of course, you cannot just simply forget vintage jeans, since this is a denim collab sneakers with the Levi's. You cannot really go wrong with a vintage jeans. It really doesn't matter what type of color, indigo, or this one that I have here. It's kind of like a dirty kind of vintage, but I just love the rip details of the jeans that pairs nicely with the sneakers. All right, so number 3, if you are not a fan of the corduroy, you can always stick to a black jeans. Can't go wrong, super neutral. And of course, it's a little tapered this time. Really accentuates the tongue of the Jordan 3. So just to give you an idea on a different perspective, actually. Okay, so that was the pants. Before we move on to the different kind of pants that I will be wearing, I'm telling you to visit my Instagram, by the way, because I'm also posting a lot of pictures there with my sneakers that I am reviewing here. Okay, another type of pants, cargos. of course, cargos. I'm a big fan of cargos, even though I'm old already, but not gonna lie, they are super comfy and also super versatile pants. So if you are wearing Jordan 3, can't go wrong as well with cargo pants. This is khaki, by the way, and the second one is cargo again, different cut, but still cargo. And I don't know what type of color is this one, but I'm pretty sure that they goes well with the Jordan 3 black and white Levi's because it's pretty neutral colorway, to be honest. Okay, so that was all, guys. So lace swaps, pants. Hope you managed to get some inspiration ideas about the sneakers. If I didn't tackle any points, hit me on the comment section and would love to answer all of them. Peace out.